everyone, today I am here to show you this fancy collection of MAC mini lipsticks. So I bought this at Sephora, but you can also get it at MAC. It's part of like their Christmas collection, and it is actually called MAC Cosmetic Starring You Taste of Stardom Lipstick Kit, and comes with 12 mini MAC lipsticks. Okay, so let's take a look. So it comes in this little clutch carrying case, which I actually really like because it's a lot of lipstick, so you have to put them in something. And so it's kind of sparkly, nice for sort of Christmas season. And then when you open it, they come like this. So they're basically in this little plastic tray. You can see all these different colors. And it goes sort of from neutral peachies to red to pinks to purples. And so what I really liked about this is that then you have all of these lipsticks to try. And, you know, definitely if you're not super adventurous, there's going to be some, you know, maybe these like bright reds or this sort of like this Barbie pink it right here that, like, for me at least, I probably wouldn't be like the first one I would buy, even sort of like this richer tone. But what's nice about these is you get this whole range to try and see which ones you like. So let's take a closer look. So first up you have this one, and it is called Official Star. And so this one is this satin finish. So if you can see that. So it has sort of a bit of that like shimmer on it. And you can see there, it is just very light, almost like a champagne color. So it's very pretty for Christmas time. Next up is this one, and this one is called Kinda Sexy. So, and this one is definitely sort of like a nice sort of neutral peachy color, and we'll do a swatch right beside. Yeah, so that's just sort of like a pinky peachy color, very pretty, very easy. Like this would be very easy for me to wear, so I'm loving that. Then you get this one. Again, you sort of have that satin finish. We'll do a little swatch. So that's, you know, fairly similar to the second one, sort of peachy tone, but just a little bit more shimmer in it. And this set's really nice for that too. It's like a good mix of shimmers and matte finishes. Then the fourth one is called Sea Sheer. And again, in the pink range. So this one seems a little more sheer, but again, sort of pink, you know, almost like a nice sort of glossy finish to it. Again, these three are going to be very easy for me to wear. Then up next, we're getting more red, and this one is called Chili. And how cute is this packaging with like sparkly tops, just very festive for Christmas. And there you go. Awesome red. It's very pretty. So it's a nice red. This one's matte, like a dark tomato red. And then there's another red, and this one is called Ruby Woo. Oh yeah, and this one is a very deep red. I'll show you how it compares. It's more, this one's more cherry, I would say. Sort of a more cherry, it's maybe more, has more orange undertones. It's more cherry red, but that's really pretty. That's going to be a very bold red. Then we have this one, which is all fired up, and it's another red. So as you can see, there are a lot of reds in here, but they are different. And again, this one is, again, like sort of more on the pinky side. It's sort of like brownie orange here, sort of to a more pink color up there. It's quite nice. Another bold one. So again, if you're sort of getting, if you're new to reds, you can sort of try these, see which one sort of strikes your fancy. And then up next we have this sort of Barbie color. I think this is just so pretty with the sparkles and everything. And so this is like truly the color inside is what you're like seeing. It's called Candy Yum Yum. It is just like very, very pink. And it goes on, wow. That's a lot of pigment. So again, that's a matte, very nice. And then we're sort of going more towards getting closer to purples. That one's called Nouvelle Vogue. So then this one, which again is kind of like, for me, this is kind of a neutral. Really pretty, sort of more purpley undertones, but that's really nice. Then this one is going to be a satin finish again. So again, sort of a bit more shimmery for the Christmas season. So you can see the shimmer on there. It's nice for night out. Then we're really into the purples now. And again, another shimmery one. Lost in the Stars. Oh, but not as pigmented as you see. So you gotta go over it quite a bit. This is more sort of like a glossy texture on. Interesting. But yeah, the satin shimmery finish. And then, last but not least, this looks intimidating and dark, but called Diva. Good winter color there. Oh, interesting. That's definitely more sort of cranberry than I thought it would come out. I thought it would come out very deep indeed. So as you can see, hopefully they're showing up well on camera. These are the 12 shades you get. So you do get a number of sort of, you know, more sort of neutral, just pinkies, that if you're, you know, not somebody who tries a lot of bright colors, you're definitely still going to get your money's worth getting a few lipsticks here that you're going to be able to wear. But then also you're going to get some stuff like this and some of these deeper reds and this dark that, you know, you're going to be able to enjoy and experiment with. And I think, you know, I think the fun part of makeup is the experimentation. So happy about this. I was so happy that I picked this up at Sephora, and it has this really cute carrying case. I just think it's like adorable. And I'm happy that MAC had this, because I think it's like very nice and awesome to try. So if you have any questions about any of these lipsticks, please give me a shout down below and I will answer your question to the best of my ability. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye!